Welcome to Delta State. There are some exciting things going on in physics here, and today I want to talk to you about just one of them, and that is we are testing and evaluating e-science labs. Now, e-science labs is really nothing other than a whole semester or even a whole year of physics labs set up in a kit that we can mail out to students. That's the important feature here, because we want to use this whole thing to extend our reach. We want to be able to do some things like have online classes that offer a real lab. E-Science Labs gives us one of the ways to do that, because we can ship out one of these packages to students, and they can do everything in this box on their kitchen table. We can cover the whole year worth of labs just by having them do things on their kitchen table. So that has me excited about ways to extend our reach here at Delta State. The other thing that we're looking at doing with it is we're looking at taking this and using it with distance learning to push out to high schools. So now, not only with distance learning will we have the interaction of the student and the teacher talking back and forth via television cameras, but we'll also be able to ship them one of these, and they can have a proctor on their end who doesn't have to be a physics person. They can have a proctor on their end help them with the labs for the year. And we can ship one for every 4 students, one for every 2 students. It's a great way to scale up to however many students they have in a particular school, and they don't have to have the kind of facilities we have here. Again, things you can do on your kitchen table, right? You can learn about weights, you can learn about mass, you can learn about momentum, you can learn about force, you can learn about volume, you can learn about projectile motion. There are just tons and tons of experiments included in this packet, and even a real slinky, which is really hard to get hold of these days, a real slinky for studying waves and the propagation of waves. Oils and colors for studying how things disappear when the index of refraction is just right. Marshmallows, all right, one of the consumables. I hope they make it. A pulley, right? All the stuff you need to make it through a whole semester or even a whole year of physics labs with hands-on experiences. And that is an important thing for me. I don't think that the online labs, where you go and you play with a computer screen, offer the same experience that this does. This is hands-on. It's laid out experiment by experiment. The instructions are clear. They're written for the student level our students are at. We can even, if we want, customize the packet. So if we decide we don't need strain gauges, we don't put strain gauges out there, right? We can customize the packet to the labs we want them to go through. And we can have that all set up. We can have it shipped out to them. We can bring it here. We can ship it directly. We can handle it in all kinds of ways. This is a fabulous tool for simply extending the reach of Delta State out further into other communities, into other schools, and into homes everywhere. I'm actually very excited about this. I'm very excited about the things we can do. And it is one of those places we are looking for investment. We are looking for investment in our students, right? These are the kinds of things that money goes directly to helping our students. We are going to take this. We're going to get just enough of these for the summer so that we can test drive it in the summer physics lab. They will be our guinea pigs. So we'll start here on campus in class, and we will use this. Not only will we use this, we will film this, because part of our program is going to be we're going to film the lab being done so that the students aren't stuck out there on their own. They'll have the film to watch, they'll have the lab manual, they'll have all the equipment they need. They will be able to do this and accomplish this on their own. It's the kind of exercise that builds experience. It's It's the kind of exercise that builds a sort of tactile feel for what it means to actually understand physics. Again, thank you very much for being here at Delta State today, and I am very, very excited about what's going on.